While healthy eating can be a challenge for kids and parents, elementary school students in our nation's capital use their culinary skills to reimagine their favorite lunch meal by creating original recipes for Sodexo Magic's 2022 Future Chefs Challenge.
Hey y'all! Hey y'all! Period! All right!
At Kimball, food is extremely important. As you may have noticed, our school is located in a food desert. And so educating our kids around healthy food and nutrition and how to cook is something that every child in this building starts with at pre-K 3.
This national initiative, now in its 11th year, was created to get kids thinking about making healthy food choices while also encouraging them to be active and creative in the kitchen. In November 2016, Partnership for a Healthier America named Sodexo Partner of the Year, based in part on early success on elements of its commitments for increasing healthier food options in the K-12 schools it serves. This year's winner will receive a Fitbit watch, a pot set, a pan set, a cookbook, in addition being featured in our next Magic Kitchen cooking series. The winning dish will be highlighted on next year's menu.